You know what? You should come and use EFCC to arrest me if what I'm about to show you doesn't make you at least 5 million naira in 12 months. Sounds crazy, right? But listen, I'm about to let you in on a secret that most people will never tell you. A simple business that requires less than 20,000 naira to start. And you can start making your millions in profit without even stepping out of your house. You don't need to own a shop as it is. I'm talking about selling braided wigs, but in a way you have never heard before. Most people struggle to make money because they are focusing on the wrong market. That's why you have me and bring you the real tea. The real money isn't in Nigeria. The money you are looking for is abroad. Repeat after me. The money you are looking for is where? Abroad. Let me show you how this works. Let me show you exactly how this works. You see this wig I'm holding here? This one, let me show you. Okay, this one. It's selling for $199 in the US. That's almost $200. And how much is that in naira? More than 300,000 naira for just this one wig I have shown you. Meanwhile, here in Nigeria, you can get this exact wig for less than 20,000 naira. If you go to, I'll show you, just watch to the very end. I'll show you how you can even get it for less. Now, let me ask you a simple question. If you had a product that sells $200 abroad, but you can get it for 17,000 naira here, wouldn't you sell it? See, this is a gold mine. I mean, this is a gold mine. If somebody see, they'll say, this girl, did you do something? Do you understand? I will show you how ordinary people made millions doing this. Now, first is Amanda. These are real life examples. I know that the amount of money I'll be calling will be shocking you, but listen so that you will get the gist. And then at the end of the video, I'll tell you how they did it. Okay? Meet Amanda. Amanda was broke. She was managing a small chemist shop in Lokoja, Nigeria here. And she was earning peanuts. We know how these meager jobs are with meager amount of salaries, small thing, I think 30,000 naira or so. But one day she saw this exact same strategy I'm about to share with you, and she decided to try it. So this is what happened here. She found a local braider and got about 40 wigs, someone who could make as much as 40 wigs for 17,000 naira each. It's a good amount of money, for them. And especially if they're doing in bulk, they would give you at a very, very great discount. And then she started marketing them to Nigerian ladies in the US using Facebook ads. Within a few days, she got two women from Georgia. Yes, two women from Georgia who ordered 40 pieces for $75 each. As I'm calling this amount of money, go and get your calculator and be calculating. She made a total of $3,000 from that one order. That is more than 4.8 million naira that we are talking about. Now, her profit after expenses was around 3.8 million. 3.8 million from her first month. Now, let's talk about another person, Christabel. She lives in Port Harcourt and, she has been struggling to make ends meet. We know how things are hard. But she found a bulk buyer in Ireland, yes, who ordered 30 wigs at £89. How much is that? 4 million naira. Over 4 million naira going by the current exchange rate. But at that time, exchange rate was not this high. Yeah, so you have a higher leverage. The exchange rate is higher now. So your profit will be higher. Now, her profit after expenses was about 3.2 million. And the crazy part, these women are still making money till today. Yes, now you'll be thinking, Lamba, this sounds too good to be true. I get it, but let me break it down for you. First step, go and bring your pen and paper. First step, find a braider and then you source for the material. Don't buy already made braided wigs. It is too expensive, and then it also limits the amount of tweaking you can do. If your customer wants very tiny, you can adjust it. If the person wants a certain size, you can adjust it. If the person wants a certain style, you can adjust it. So don't buy ready-made wigs. It's too expensive. Go and find a braider, and then you source for the materials yourself. So instead of calling somebody that, make this wig for me, no, Go and buy the attachments and the lace yourself, and then you now pay for the labor. This cuts your cost to at least 15, what am I saying? At least 20,000 naira per week. This is a very important step that you do not want to miss. See, I told you, I'm bringing out the secret small, small, Abi. I've helped you to save 20,000 naira per week. Let's continue to the next step. Now, target the right market. Don't sell in Nigeria. I told you the money you are looking for is not in Nigeria. It is abroad. The money is not here. So use Facebook and Instagram ads to target black women abroad. In the US, in Canada, in the UK, Ireland, just do all of that. For example, you can show this ad to black American women age 25 to 55 in Houston, Texas. Just look for states or cities that you know that the population of black women is higher. Step two, make an irresistible offer. Big brands in the US sell wigs for $150, $190, $200, $250. So you can offer the same wigs for $75 to $100 and still make huge profits. Want them to buy more? Let me give you the secret. Offer free shipping if they buy in bulk. Offer free shipping if they buy in bulk. Step number 4, collect payments and shipping. Use trusted shipping companies that deliver directly to their doorstep. Please use trusted shipping company. Don't go and use the one that will put you in missile. Then they pay you before you even ship the wigs, so you have zero risk. And then boom, that's how you make your money. And I also mentioned that they will pay you before you supply them, yeah. And this is because you would give them your bank account, so to an extent they are secured. There's BVN, so if you give them a name that identifies with you, and then of course before they pay, they'll do video calls, and nobody will release their money with someone who they have not trusted to an extent, yeah. So when you give them your bank account, they know that, okay, if you run away, they can close down your account, call the EFCC or whatever security agency they want to call, and they would track you down. So just basically gain the trust of your customers. You see, why would this business print you money? I know you'll be wondering, Braided wig, it's indeed, what's indeed? My sister, women spend more than men on beauty products. True or true? Yes, you agree. And then rich customers take the same efforts as poor customers. So sell to people abroad. Sell to people abroad. So even if they are rich, they are poor, they still want to look good. Yes? Now, black women abroad spend over $2,000 yearly on just their hair. So they need these wigs, something to help them save money. Yes, the cost of getting their hair braided abroad is too expensive, so they would rather buy wigs, especially if the wigs are beautiful. So when they calculate that, okay, to braid their hair would cost them around $250 to $350, depending on the location or who is making the hair and the style. And then they are getting a wig that they can wear for as long as possible. Braided wig is low maintenance wig, so I'm sure they would like that, because people in the US, in every other place abroad, they live a very busy life. So something that would not give them stress is braided wig, and they would jump on it. If it's beautiful, if it is stress free, if it will save them money, trust me, they'll buy it. Selling to people abroad is easier than selling to Nigerians. Selling to Nigerians is possible, but which one is easier? Selling to people abroad. Now that you have seen how this works, what are you going to do? So most people will watch this video and do nothing. Like my other videos, most people will watch my videos and they will it works for some people, it not work for me. That's why most people remain broke. Yes, if you are serious about making money this year, when you see informations that I drop, don't just watch and move on to the next video. Take actions. Yes. So if you are serious about making money from this side hustle, I have something special for you. I don't even know why I call it side hustle. This is a full business, a full blown business that can give you generational wealth. I'm not kidding. So I have put together a detailed step-by-step guide that breaks down everything you need: how to find the best suppliers, how to get buyers abroad fast, how to run simple but powerful Facebook ads, the shipping company that will deliver to your customers without stress, how to start this business even with zero naira. It's all inside my mini expectation guide, and for now, you can grab it at a huge discount. The link is in my description box. The guide will change your life, just like it changed Amanda and Christabel's life. So click the link now, and I'll see you inside. You also get my WhatsApp contact, so you have a one-on-one mentorship program with me. That's it. If you found it helpful, please do like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to click that link in my bio. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.